guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a contour brighten highlight. I'm going to be showing you how to achieve that as well as products for contour highlight newbies. So let's get right to today's video. So to start, let me show you which products that would be easiest for new contour and highlight people. My very first contour palette, this e.l.f. contouring palette right here. 2 contour shades as well as a brighten and a highlight. I think it was like $4, so that's why I got it. And contour was getting really popular, so I was like, let me hop on the contour train. So this one is really good for beginners because it's super simple and easy to identify what and what. Next, I'm going to show you what I use when I don't want a heavy cream look or when I'm just on the go and I need to go really fast. I use my contouring palette Mega Glow by Wet n Wild in Caramel Toffee. You have the contour shade, obviously, and the brighten. Now for highlight, I use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in Precious Petals. As y'all see, I use this one a lot. It's my favorite. Now, if you're feeling a bit fancy and you want to step up from powders, what I used to use when I first started using creams were the Fit Me foundation sticks. So I got a dark one in shade Coconut. So you see it's pretty dark. So that one I would use for contour. And then I got a lighter one in Natural Beige. See, that one I would use to brighten under my eyes, you know. I'll show you how to use it later. Another really good contour would be the Jordana Sculpt and Go if you want to do cream. It's really simple and really easy to blend out. So this is one of my favorites as well. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Wet n Wild contour palette because I feel that it's the simplest to use and the most effective. Like, it looks really well, especially for the price. I think it was, what, $4? So I'm going to show you how to use this one. Now, most days when I'm using this contour palette, I don't wear foundation just because usually I'm having a good skin day and I use it on days where I'm in a rush. So for this tutorial, I'm going to skip the foundation step and go straight into the palette. Now I'm going to take this stipple brush right here and I'm going to take the darker color right here. Get a little bit, but not too much. You're going to start from right here at the top of your ear. If you do this face right here, it'll show you where your cheekbones are, and you're going to go right under there. You're going to go fuller and darker at the top than at the bottom. So you go dark and then you lighten up as you go to the bottom, you know what I mean? Now, depending on where you're going will depend on the severity of the contour. So if you're just going to work or going to school and you're not trying to impress anybody, then you want to do it rather light, but still where you can tell. So I go back and forth from the top part all the way until about mid-cheek. Alright, the second step, I take the powder and I carve out right here on my temple all the way around. This is going to add definition to your face once we get to the brightening step. Alright, so you're going to repeat the same thing on the other side, starting darker at the top and lighter at the bottom. And again at the temple, around the top to add definition to your face. Alright, for the next step, it's the brightening step. So you're going to take this fluffy brush right here, dip it into the lighter color, and I apply it in the center of my forehead first, in this T-zone, in like a T motion. You're going to apply it. That's going to add definition from the darker part. Then you're going to dip it again. Get it on the trim. And with those areas brightened already, you can see the definition difference. Next, I'm going to dip in again and go underneath the eyes so I can brighten, take away those dark circles, and give the illusion that I'm not tired. You're going to take that right under here, from the corner of the eye till about right here at the end of your eyebrow. Now if you use the wrong color, it's going to turn out too bright and make you look kind of crazy. So that's the contour and brightening steps. Last step is the highlighter, which is, I think, the most important. And I go on my nose and the areas where the light bounces off the best. So right here on the side of the top of your cheekbone, a little bit up here above your brow, wherever the sun hits you and causes a shine. That's going to give the illusion that this area right here is actually fuller and rounder. Now, of course, I have to put on just a little bit of blush just to add some rosiness. Just a little though, not a lot. In between the highlight and the contour. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope I was helpful in giving you some contour tips as well as some products. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what you use to contour and highlight and brighten, so I can check those out. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to leave me a thumbs up if you like the video, as well as subscribe and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.